Hey friends, let's do What's Love Got to Do with a Guitar Lesson by Tina Turner. And with this song we've got the capo on the 2nd fret. So let's do the intro. So I won't play the intro for guitar 1 because it's just 2 chords. We're starting with this F sharp minor 11 over C sharp. It sounds confusing but pretty easy. We have 4th fret A, 4 on the D, 2 on the G, open B and E. And play that and hold for 2 bars. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just E for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4, 1, and then just repeat that again. 4, 1, and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's guitar 1. Now let's do guitar 2. This time we're just staying on the 2nd fret on the G and we do it 2 times. And do a palm mute and repeat that 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then just do exactly the same thing but come to the 1st fret on the G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat that twice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back to the 1st fret. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the intro there. Now let's have a look at the verse. We'll do a guitar 1 first. So we just started with the 2 chords, the same as the intro, F sharp minor 11 over C sharp, hold for 2 bars, to E, hold for 2 bars. Do that again, F sharp minor 11 over C sharp, then go back to E and just go for 1 bar, 2, 3, 4, and then we do D 2 times, and then to E, and we're holding for a bar and a half there, so 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then just play D, and back to E for a bar and a half again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then D for a bar, 2, 3, 4, and E for a bar, 3, 4. And that's guitar 1, pretty easy. Then we have guitar 2 for the verse. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So on the D string we just play the 2 and then come up to the 4 2 times. Do that again and again. The 4th time play the 2, go to the 4 on the D 2 times, 2 back on the D and then 4 on the A. And we repeat that 4 times. So now the 4th time through we just play the 2 up to the 4 again 2 times. And then just finish on the 2 there. And that's guitar 2 there. Now let's have a look at the chorus. Starting on this A chord, go it down up, and we're just playing the A, D and G string there, and a palm mute there, and then go back to open A, 2nd fret on the D, 1st fret on the G once, and then just play 2nd fret on the E string, so we have, and then we're just doing the E chord, and we're doing sort of a reggae feel. We're just going to play the E and the A string, and then do it down up, and then do it again. And then do the same on the D chord, but just play the D and the G string first, and then down up, so we got, and then go back to the E and do the same again. So slowly. And just do that 4 times and that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and guitar 1 and guitar 2 are exactly the same. Back to the chorus again, and that's the same as the chorus we just did. Then we have the little break, so let's play that for you. So it's exactly the same as the chorus. We've just come up 2 frets. So this time we're going to have 2nd fret on the A, 4 on the D and the G, 2 there, and then go 2A, 4 on the D, 3 on the G, and then just play 4 on the E. So this time, now we're going to an F sharp, and we're going to do the same strumming pattern that we did in the chorus. So down, down, up, down, down, up. Then to E, same, back to F sharp. And we do that through 3 times. Now the 4th time stays exactly the same. The F sharp, and then finish on the E. And that's our little break there. Now let's have a look at the next bit. So we just started on the A and do that reggae feel again. So we're doing it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to the B and we're going to do that reggae feel for 2 times. And then go 2 on the A, 6 on the D 2 times. And then back to 2 and 4. And then 2 and 2. So then go back to the A again 4 times. 3, 4. Back to the B 2 times, and then this time 2 and 6, 6 on the D 2 times, 2 and 4, then go 6 on the A, and then back to 2 and 4. So then just go to G, and we're just doing a bar of the reggae, so 4 times again, to A, F sharp minor, a bar again, and to B, another bar. Then from there we're just going back to our break, which is the chorus, and we repeat that to the end. So to the F sharp, to the E, back to the F sharp, and we just keep repeating that all the way to the end. And there are all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed What's Love Got to Do with It? Guitar Lesson by Tina Turner. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.